The sesame oil chicken, first heat up the sesame oil in the clay pot and then you put in the ginger. As you can smell the aroma of the ginger and the sesame oil, put in the onion and cook it till soft. As the onion gets softened, you can put in the chicken at this time. Put in the salt, pepper, and then a teaspoon of sugar, and then you can mix up the ingredients with the chicken. After you have mixed up the chicken with the ingredients, you put the cover on and then set it on a low fire, and you can simmer this for the next 25 minutes. After cooking the chicken on the low fire with the cover on for about 25 minutes, next you see the chicken, the juice is out, okay, and then you can put in the carrot. And then stir it together. As for the colouring, you can add in some dark soy sauce. Next, you can put in your spring onion and then mix it together. After you mix up the spring onion and the garlic with the chicken, next you put the cover on and you put it on a low fire and you can heat it for the next 30 minutes. After 30 minutes cooking the chicken on the low fire, and it's ready for us to eat. As you can see, this is our sesame oil chicken with carrot. It's easy to be done and prepared at home, and everybody can do this, and hope you'll enjoy this recipe. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you soon. Thank you. Have a good day.